Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Vivid filter in iPhone 16 Pro Plus and Pro Max. So let's check it out on mobile screen. So look at this. This is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and now I will show you how to use Vivid filter in iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you open here the camera application, the photo, and top of the screen they are introducing new features. If you tab here, so look at this here, and here some of the other features also: color, roses, natural, rose gold and gold. You can consider like a vivid filter rose gold and gold, but if you are not happy with this filter after creating or capturing the photo, so second option come here. You can go back here, open any of the photo of yours like this is my normal photo. I captured this photo from the same camera. Just press here three line bottom of the screen, and here the filter. Inside the filter, this is original. If I click here, so this is a vivid filter, and then after save, and that's it. Now the filter is vivid. You can change this ratio also here from bottom of the screen, like this is a medium and this is high of vivid filter, and save, and that's it. You can apply this process of all your pictures and then accordingly update and then put it on social media. That is the beauty of vivid filter, and vivid filter is very nice to attract any of the pictures and improve the clarity. So you can apply these tips and tricks and use vivid filter in your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So guys, if you really like this tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.